Wtórpol has operated in Poland for over a quarter of a century. We have expanded its footprint to over 30 countries on 3 continents. We export clothes, raw material, and industrial cleaning cloth. Thanks to rapid growth, implementation of new production lines and technologies, coupled with the experience and commitment of our staff, Wtórpol has earned the position of a leader on the textile recycling market. In our modern logistics center, specialists oversee work in the factory, develop new textile recycling and product transport methods. Clothes are collected from more than 60,000 containers. Textiles are transported to a state-of-the-art sorting facility in Skarżysko-Kamienna. Every day, each of over 1 million articles of clothing is examined, rated, and if it can be reused, it is priced on a case-by-case basis by our employees. The process yields 2 truckfuls of clothes per hour, which means 300 tons of clothes during a single shift. Clothes of the best quality are sold in more than 120 shops, visited by over 30,000 customers daily. Each week we put 300,000 kilograms of clothes for sale. Some clothes we process are exported and shipped to 36 countries in Africa, Europe, and Asia. Used textiles made of wool and cotton are sold to India, where they are processed in specialist factories. Sweaters are used to make carpets. Cotton textiles are converted to industrial cleaning cloth, purchased by over 11,000 companies in Poland and abroad. The remaining material is converted into the highest quality alternative fuel, which meets Europe's strict environmental requirements. Special combustion systems and filters used in certain industrial plants enable the raw material to be used effectively. This is where the complex textile recycling process ends. Wtórpol is one of the few companies in the world which implements the zero-waste principle to the maximum extent. Yet our specialists go a step further. Research is underway for the implementation of high-quality film and composite planks which would replace wood. Wtórpol's strength lies in our people, with more than 2,000 of them involved in textile recycling. For over 25 years, a century now, Wtórpol has put in practice what is commonly referred to today as corporate social responsibility. Not only do we clean Poland of useless clothes, contributing to a cleaner, natural environment, but also we engage in many socially responsible activities. The company has already donated tens of millions złotys to charitable causes, supporting culture and sports. The Eco-Textile Foundation, operating under the auspices of Wtórpol, helps disabled people. The foundation has donated over 6,000 tricycles to people in need, and currently, in cooperation with partners, it is expanding its countrywide network of free-of-charge rehabilitation equipment rentals. Its online equipment rental, offering rehabilitation beds with special mattresses, is also extremely popular. We process 100% used clothes. We develop new solutions. We care about the environment. We help others. Wtórpol, together we can do more.